Hey guys, it's Regina from How to House. Have you ever felt like your kitchen cabinets have become a store-all and the thought of reorganizing them is extremely overwhelming? Well, don't you worry. Here are my top tips on organizing the kitchen of your dreams. First off, go ahead and take everything out of the cabinets. This is the easiest way to see everything that you have and reassess where they should properly go. So the best way to organize your kitchen is to break it up into zones. First up, you have your prep zone. This is the counter space you generally do your mashing, chopping, peeling, etc. You should be able to easily grab anything you may need for prep in this zone. Think measuring cups, knives, spices, and mixing bowls. So from your prep zone, we move to your cooking zone. Naturally, this will be where your stove is, and hopefully your kitchen layout has it fairly close to the prep zone so you can use the utensils and spices while cooking. This is also where you store your pots, pans, and baking sheets. If you're starting to catch my drift, then you'll probably guess that the next closest area is your serving zone. This is where you store your plates, bowls, and cups so you can easily transition from cooking to eating. Lastly, you'll have your cleaning zone. A lot of times this overlaps with your serving zone so that you can easily put away your dishes. Speaking of cleaning your dishes, here's some tips on how to properly load your dishwasher. On the top rack, always rest glasses and bowls between the times and not on them to prevent breakage. And large utensils like whisks are best lying on the top rack. Group like silverware together to save time when you're unloading. Keep some forks and spoons up and some down to prevent nesting. And always load knives handles up for safety. The bottom rack is obviously made for larger items, but you will always need to consider the water spray. Face dinner plates inwards, big to small, and be sure cookie sheets and platters are on the sides or the back so they don't block the water. Remember, no matter the layout or size of your kitchen, the zone method can be efficient for you if you think in practical order of how you really use your kitchen. Do you have some handy kitchen organizing tips up your sleeve? Share with us in a comment below. See you next time.